Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1971 Ford Bronco 4x4. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We have the roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, new timing cover, new balancer, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, brass freeze plugs, engine block painted the black, proper rear sump oil pan for the Bronco, oil stick and tube. It's real nice polished Bronco powered by Ford valve covers, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold. It's real nice oval air cleaner with the washable element. Holley Sniper fuel injection systems on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over 45 minutes. We'll set up the menu screen on the Holley Sniper fuel injection. It'll be all dialed in, all the settings. It'll be plug and play, ready to go. We set the ignition timing, fully test it. You'll see a video of your engine running, manifold vacuum reading on the gauge, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot, fully tested. We have the proper automatic flex plate, proper tooth count and balance for the customer's 302 Ford and the C4 transmission he has. PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line. It's real nice black Raptor pulley kit on there with a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner. Correct location for the 71 Bronco, lower hose on the passenger side, high flow aluminum water pump, correct thermostat housing, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose is on there, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, all ready to go. We even put the oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, inline gas filter for the Holley Sniper system. So this is the way you get it, a complete custom built turnkey package engine for your vehicle. Again, it's our 302 Ford 350 horsepower roller cam with the Holley Sniper fuel injection. Thanks for watching.